Hi, my name's Jody and I'm just here to tell you a little bit about my experience completing the 4 Elements course with Andy at the Shamans Art. I did this course a couple of years ago as part of the Practitioner Training, and the course is held, each element is over 3 days or so in the woods, so you get enough time to really feel like you've dropped into another space entirely. I mean, the woodland is very peaceful. There's a lot of old trees, there's owls, there's all sorts of creatures there. There's a real nice depth to the natural, just kind of the vibe of it, really. It's a great place to work. And nestled within this woodland is Andy's yurt, where a lot of the teaching and practical kind of work takes place, but also dreaming work. And the yurt is a great space because it feels very womb-like. It's always very warm and cozy, and you can really open up in there, which is a great preparation for when you do go out and do ceremonies on the land. So there's several different ceremonies for each weekend. All of them required me to step up in a way that challenged me. There was always a challenge. I always arrived at these weekends knowing that I'd have to up my game a little, and that if I wanted to get the most out of it, I needed to give of myself as well. So that said, it still was a really fun time. I really value the way that Andy holds space in a way that is deep and solid, but also with warmth and humour, which is something that I really value, and it enables us to sort of relax as participants and get into the space required to do the work. I came away from that course and the whole practitioner training feeling very confident in myself and in my ability to trust, and to trust spirit, and to trust life, and to trust myself, and to trust what was coming up, and to just go with it. Oftentimes things happened that we weren't expecting. Conditions sometimes were harder than we thought they might be. You never quite know what to expect in this kind of work, but doing this course in those woods with Andy in the way that he holds it, I wholeheartedly recommend it. It's quite a journey to go on, supported by the other participants, and it feels like a key part of my journey so far. Yeah, I'd highly recommend it.